I know, comp and bench teams traditionally have been looking at comp ratios, but you and I, we've been discussing this conversation about total rewards optimization, compensation ROI. Can you give the audience a little bit more deeper insights into what and why it matters today?
Yeah, absolutely. So, I think traditionally when we look at compensation benefits teams, we've relied on relatively narrow kind of metrics, so comp ratios, where people are paid, and then some internal equity pieces. But I think that we haven't really looked at whether the employees are delivering value. Now, I will preface this that everything I'm saying is a general approach. I know some organizations are very good, some organizations are less. This is just my experience from the clients that I work with, sorry. But what we're seeing today is a real shift in understanding the return on investment. So what every dollar that we spend, that what we're getting out of it in return, whether that's pay, benefits, bonuses, perks, etc., etc. And also very much what's the link to the engagement. So do we have an enhanced engagement from what we offer? Do we have enhanced retention? And do we have enhanced productivity? I think this is crucial because workforce costs are obviously, the single largest expense for most companies, and competition for talent is fiercer than ever. We're seeing this from the rise of, kind of new disruptors to the market in the FS space. This is very much those fintech firms, and from all different ways and walks of life.